Yo, what's up? I'm just gonna put the new chain on and test ride it, and then I'll worry about that front sprocket some other time because it's not that hard to change. All right, I got it off the bike. This chain tool, it kind of sucks. I'm not gonna recommend it. So if you don't know how chains work, there's gonna be a master link. You're gonna see a link with something like this. The reason why you need this master link, because if you look at these, they're chiseled down to stop them from coming off. So if you have a chain break, it's probably because you had a bad master link, FYI. Got it all looped around. I got a nice gold one. Look at it, so pretty. Now I just gotta lube up the O-rings, put the master link on, and then we're done. Let's get it. Oh, hey, what's good? It's been so long. I haven't ridden this bike in over a month, straight up. No, actually, it's been half a month. Okay. I did new chain, new sprockets. Technically I still have to do the front sprocket. It feels good. I'm geared higher, so I'll accelerate faster. I have a lower top speed, but once you get past like 110, 115 on this bike, it really it doesn't climb, but it just makes sense. I won't be doing no clutch ups until this chain gets broken in, or until I feel comfortable with it. I have like a whole bunch of clips from while I was working on this, so I might tie this in with that. I don't know. I don't like talking in my videos, so I might not even post this, you know. But I mean, I need a video, so I might see, like, it kind of, I don't know, it feels different. It feels just a little bit different. It's barely even noticeable, honestly. I feel like once you get like higher up in the speeds, it probably makes a huge difference. But it definitely pulls way harder, for sure. It pulls way harder. I like it. I haven't ridden in so long, so that's probably what I don't really know what to compare it to. I'm a fan. So what I want to know is, should I be going faster than that? If I'm geared higher, would I be going faster or slower than my stock speedometer? This feels like 35, 40-ish. Oh dude, this is gonna be so hard to edit. I'm not excited for it. It pulls harder. It definitely, even like right there, I don't think it used to pull like that. So yeah, I also did rear brake pads because, you know, your boy wants to wheelie. There's a difference for sure. I've almost put 2,000 miles on this bike, bro. That's crazy. A lot of people can't even say they've put that much, they've rode that much. Some people don't ride at all. That baby cow. Oh my gosh, look at them. Hi. Oh, that's like a fresh born baby, bro. There's no one coming. That baby is like brand new. I should probably go. Wow, that baby was like brand new. It looks like it. It might not be. It looks like a brand new calf though. Alrighty, boys. Was good. Oh, I'm cramping. Oh. Dude, that was lit. Oh. Bro, my leg cramped like a bee. I just want to clutch up. This road sucks.